Carrara versus Calacatta marble. What's the difference and which one is better for your home? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore the key differences between Carrara and Calacatta marble. Introduction. When it comes to elegant white marble, two names often stand out, Carrara and Calacatta. They both come from Italy and look quite similar, but there are key differences that make each one special. Let's understand what sets them apart and which one is better for your home. Origin. Both marbles are quarried from the Carrara region in Tuscany, Italy, but from different quarries. Carrara marble is more common and widely available, while Calacatta is rarer and comes from limited sources, making it more exclusive. Appearance. Carrara marble has a soft grayish-white background with fine, light gray veins that give it a gentle, classic look. Calacatta marble, on the other hand, features a pure white background with bold, dramatic veins in shades of gray or gold, perfect for luxurious interiors that stand out. Price and use. Because of its availability, Carrara is more affordable, usually around $40 to $60 per square foot. Calacatta is much rarer and can cost between $100 and $250 per square foot. Carrara works beautifully in bathrooms and floors, while Calacatta shines on kitchen countertops and feature walls. Maintenance and final choice. Both marbles need regular sealing and gentle care, as they can stain or etch easily. In short, Carrara gives you subtle elegance and timeless beauty, while Calacatta offers bold luxury and a striking visual impact. So, which one suits your style? The calm Carrara or the glamorous Calacatta? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.